How to use Prime Video on TV. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can use Prime Video on TV, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to use Prime Video on TV, it's actually quite very simple to do, because all you have to do over here is, let's say that you want to use Prime Video. The first step for you would be to log in. So make sure first of all that you are logged in, and if you don't know how to log in, I've also already made a dedicated tutorial for that. Then from here you can simply make sure that you have got a Prime subscription, because if you don't have a Prime subscription you'll not be able to watch it, and select a profile that you want to watch from. Then here on the home tab on the left hand side you'll find different sort of recommendations and whatever else it is that you might currently want to watch, then it will show up over here. Then if you go to the store, you can choose to rent some of the movies that is not available, and you can also choose to buy them if you want to. If you go to my stuff, you'll be able to see your own history and whatever you've added to your watch list. And if you go to settings, likewise you'll be able to customize most of your account settings, language, auto playing, buying, contact, data and privacy option and such. So this way you'll be able to use Prime Video app on TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.